What is the best move in this chess position? Let's get through it right quick, and this is for the white pieces. First of all, this king is on the d5 square, and this pawn is on the e4 square. Our opponent has a passed pawn on the e4 square. What is our advantage? Well, our two pawns on the king side is our advantage, so we should be trying to promote one of these pawns to their promotion squares, to the g or h square. The best move is to do g5 first, not just do h6 and get our pawn captured, but g5. And after they try to capture one of our pawns with their king, we're gonna do h6 after this. And if they capture our h6 pawn and we capture back with the g pawn, then they will catch up to the pawn. But once they catch up, we can take the e4 pawn and then go with our king to capture these queenside pawns to promote the b pawn. That is our advantage with the two pawns on the king side.